Welcome back to Anti-Dry Skin January. Today we're talking barrier repair and the hydration ingredients we rely on across our formulas. I'm Tisha Thompson, the founder and CEO of LYS Beauty, and I always say one of the most important things you can do as a consumer is understand actually what's working inside your products. Barrier repair starts with hydration, and that comes down to the ingredients you're putting on your skin every day. At LYS, there are a few ingredient favorites we consistently rely on for hydration and comfort to support skin health. Hyaluronic acid is one of our go-tos because it provides deep lasting hydration and helps restore stressed skin. You'll find it in products like our Bright Start Concealer, even our True Enlightenment finishing powders, because hydration shouldn't stop at just liquids. We also love green tea extract, an antioxidant-rich ingredient that helps soothe, replenish, and calm the look of dry, dehydrated skin. Another ingredient I love is ashwagandha. It's also known as Indian ginseng. It helps to calm stressed skin and support skin barrier. Across our skin tint, bronzer stick, blush stick, and highlighter stick, we use a hydrating blend designed to support skin throughout the day. Watermelon seed extract helps the skin to retain moisture for a visibly radiant, healthy looking finish. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which helps to improve moisture levels while supporting all over skin tone. Knowing your ingredients really matters, and these are some of the hydrating heroes to keep an eye out for in our formulas. Stick with us all month long for more anti-dry skin January.